I got another DIY for you. These is a simple DIYs, but some people don't know how to do it. So I'm trying to show y'all so that you guys can save a little bit more money and not let these dealerships overcharge you for something so simple. Today we're just changing a cabin air filter microguard, as you see here in the description up top. All right, let's get right into it. This here is for a 2018 Honda Odyssey. It's a cool minivan. Yes, man. What we're gonna do to get to this anyways, we're gonna open up the glove compartment, all right? We're gonna push down on these sides. We're gonna push in on both sides. And I need two hands to do this, so 1 sec. Boom, and this is what it looks like. Now this is what you're taking out, this piece here. If you look in closely, let me see if I can zoom in on this. It says airflow down. See that? Wait. And you can see it here too. Airflow down. Wait, fingers in the way, it messes it up. So what you're gonna do is, there's a clip right there. You see that right there? To pop out. Boom, look at that. Boom, there's that. Now, there's your filter. There's your filter right there you're gonna be replacing. So what you do, these things are sometimes a pain in the ass to get out. But you gotta grab one end, and then usually should just slide right out. This is what it's gonna look like. You see how it's dirty, it got some little debris, maybe some bugs and whatnot in here, yada, yada, yada. It's supposed to look like, oh, wow, did you see that? Anyways, this is a little dirty. It's time for this to be changed out. Now, out with the old, in with the new. See, it even tells you how to put it. However, it's not gonna go in this way. It's gonna go in that way. But, you know to keep it like this and not flip it. And then you just slide this bad boy in. Come on, work with me. You're embarrassing me in front of whoever's viewing this. All right, here we go. And then you're just gonna gently slide that in. And it should fit in like a glove. And then that's it. That's pretty much it, man. And then, oh, almost forgot to put the cover on. It was very important. All right. Put that back in there. Oh, crap. Tough doing this with one hand. Once you put this piece back on with two hands, not one, make sure it's on correctly. Boom, these things get pushed in. And boom, that's it. That's how you change a cabin air filter on your 2018 Honda Odyssey. It's pretty much the same I don't know how you do it with all other cabin air filters, but yeah. Leave a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you. Have yourself a blessed day. Peace.